Okay, welcome back children to the lesson weather and climate. So in previous class we learned what we call weather and what is the difference between climate. What is meant by weather here? Weather is made up of WTHR, wind, temperature, humidity, rainfall, and a minor change in the weather components is called as weather change. Whereas climate is not going to be changed with a little time. It takes more time to be changed. Near about 10 to 25 years we should check out whether it is a particular climate or not. Right? Already we discussed about this in the previous class. Now let us discuss some more about weather and climate. Right. Here I would like to tell you one thing, that when you listen to the radio or television news and as well as paper clippings, in that they will give you two kinds of newses, that is broadcast and forecast. Broadcast and forecast. What is meant by broadcast and forecast? Right? For example, मुंबई में 2 दिन से हेवी रेनफॉल है. मुंबई में 2 दिन से हेवी रेनफॉल है. मतलब it is telling about the past thing, what had happened already. So since 2 days there is heavy rainfall in the Mumbai. Already this is in the past. It happened in the past. For example, in Mumbai, 20 centimeter rainfall is measured. 20 centimeter rainfall is measured on Monday. For example, if it is Tuesday, they are broadcasting that on Monday, means yesterday. On Monday, yesterday in Mumbai there is heavy rainfall up to 20 centimeter. Okay, here already the rainfall occurred, and what had happened they given here. So if they give the past weather report, then it is called broadcast. Broadcast is nothing but giving the report about the weather, of a particular area, that had happened in the past. ऑलरेडी हो चुका है, वही रिपोर्ट को अगला दिन दिया हुआ है. दिस इज व्हाट कॉल्ड ब्रॉडकास्ट. इट इज कॉल्ड ब्रॉडकास्ट और वेदर रिपोर्ट. ब्रॉडकास्ट और वेदर रिपोर्ट. If the news is written like this, rainfall in Mumbai, rainfall will be continue for 2 more days. ये क्या है? ये स्टेटमेंट क्या है? In Mumbai 20 centimeter rainfall reported yesterday. In Mumbai 20 centimeter rainfall reported yesterday means ये बीत गया हुआ है. It is past tense. What had happened they given, so it is called broadcast or otherwise weather report. Whereas in Mumbai rainfall will be continue for 2 more days. मतलब क्या है? और भी 2 दिन रेनफॉल हो सकता है. मतलब फ्यूचर का प्रेडिक्शन है. ये पास्ट का है, ये पास्ट रिपोर्ट है। और अगर आप फ्यूचर रिपोर्ट बताए, समझो अगर फ्यूचर रिपोर्ट बताए तो इसे क्या कहेगा, फोरकास्ट। इट इज कॉल्ड फोरकास्ट। ब्रॉडकास्ट एंड फोरकास्ट। Broadcast will give the report of the weather that already happened in the past. That already happened in the past. Whereas forecast will give you the report what is going on. Sorry, what will be go on in the further days, in the future. It tells about the future. Forecast tells about the future, and whereas broadcast tells us about the past. Broadcast tells about the past and forecast tells about the future. So that's why see in Mumbai 20 centimeter rainfall occurred yesterday, means it is past news, so broadcast. Whereas forecast in Mumbai rainfall will be continue for 2 more days, it is future. If the future prediction done, then definitely they are going to announce in the future. For example, a heavy storm is going to strike. A heavy storm is going to strike Mumbai in 2 days. Within 2 days, we are going to face the storm. Here, this news is advanced news, future news. Future weather report is called as forecast, and past weather report is called as broadcast. I hope you understood what is the difference between broadcast and forecast. In news, in paper, in television, in radio, they will give, for example, in the news, they give the news like this. In Mumbai, the minimum temperature is 23 degrees Celsius and the maximum temperature is 35 degrees Celsius. When yesterday's maximum temperature is 38 degrees Celsius or 35 degrees Celsius. Yesterday's minimum temperature is 28. So here it is yesterday's, means that is broadcast. That is broadcast. So here broadcast will tell us the weather report in the past, whereas forecast tells the weather report of the future. Right? So two are different words. Here my doubt that how do they know that it is going to be rain, right? It is given by Indian Meteorological Department. Indian Meteorological Department. Indian Meteorological Department. In simple we call it as IMD. Indian Meteorological Department. They give us information about the weather and climate. Whatever the news that you are reading in the paper, or the news about the weather report that you are listening in the television, all they are issued by the IMD. It is issued by IMD. Let us see how do IMD predicts the weather. Okay. So now we know that weather components are wind, temperature, humidity, rainfall. Wind, temperature, humidity, rainfall. So one by one let us see, or otherwise the very interesting one, that is temperature. Okay. Here what is temperature now? Temperature is a measurement of heat. Heat doesn't mean it is hot always. Heat का मतलब hot नहीं. Heat means whether it is cold or hot, whatever it may be. Two things may happen in the heat. So heat measurement, the degree of coolness or hotness can be measured by the temperature. The degree of hotness and coolness of a material is measured in temperature with the help of thermometer. We know that with the help of thermometer. So here, to measure the minimum and maximum temperature of a day, minimum and maximum temperature of a day can be calculated by using 6 MMT. 6 MMT. Here 6 doesn't mean that in cricket 6, not that 6, right? 6 is a scientist name it is. He is a scientist, and this 6th scientist, he made a thermometer to measure the day temperature, maximum temperature and minimum temperature, and here this MMT is abbreviated as maximum and minimum temperature. Maximum and minimum. Maximum and minimum thermometer. MMT, maximum and minimum thermometer, which measures the maximum temperature of the day and minimum temperature of the day. Okay, so here the temperature, it depends upon the sunlight. Temperature depends upon the sunlight. If sunlight is bright, then temperature is high. If sunlight is dull, then temperature decreases. Temperature decreases. So remember, where there is a bright sunlight, there is a hot, sunny day. And when there is no bright sunlight, it is cool day. It is cool day. So by using 6 maximum minimum thermometer, we can calculate the day temperature, maximum temperature and minimum temperature. So here in 6 MMT, look here, there is a board, and 6 MMT, it has 2 bulbs. It has 2 bulbs. And here there is mercury. Here it is mercury. Mercury is present here. Mercury is present here. Okay. Now it is A, it is B. A is filled with alcohol and B is filled with gas. Right. Now here there are the indicators called I1, I2, I1 and I2. So look here, here it is the 0, here it is 0, and it go like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Like this, and here also 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, like this. Now this is 6 MMT. We have to keep this 6 MMT in the sunlight. Now what we are checking? Maximum and minimum. Maximum and minimum. Maximum temperature. Maximum temperature can be measured during afternoon time, 12 p.m. We check maximum temperature of the day by 12 p.m. and minimum temperature. Minimum temperature can be measured during sunrise. During sunrise, approximately 6 a.m. By 6 a.m. we can measure the minimum temperature. For example, if you keep this in the morning, it shows the minimum temperature. It shows the minimum temperature. Say for example, it is 20 degrees Celsius, and in the afternoon it shows maximum temperature, that is 35 degrees Celsius, like that. So it is 6 MMT, 6 MMT minimum and maximum thermometer. By using this, we can calculate the temperature of a day. We can calculate temperature of a day. I hope you understand what is MMT and how do we use it. We use this 6 MMT to measure the maximum and minimum temperature of the day. the minimum temperature can be checked at the sunrise early in the morning, and whereas maximum temperature can be given at the 12 p.m. at 12 p.m. and in the evening news by 7 p.m. they will broadcast the weather report. They will broadcast the weather report. Like this, they can calculate the temperature. Right? We'll discuss about other things like wind, humidity, rainfall in the further classes. Right? I hope you understand this class. Right? Thank you.